I tried the absolute laziest affiliate marketing method to see if it could make me money. So I started this 3 weeks ago, not actually thinking it would work. But spoiler alert, it worked. So I know what you were thinking. Come on, AI-pocalypse, spill the tea. What's this method you were talking about, and how much money did you make? Well, a couple of weeks ago, I made a video on how you can monetize AI-generated videos with affiliate marketing. These videos are made using tools like Pictory or Fleeky. You simply make a script with ChatGPT and then paste this script into one of these programs. The AI of Pictory or Fleeky then creates a voiceover. It picks stock footage that fits the script and adds suitable background music, making you amazing videos in just a matter of seconds. While doing research for that video, I discovered something absolutely crazy. So for those new to affiliate marketing, this is when you promote other companies' products as an affiliate. You receive a special link, and when people purchase something using your link, you earn a commission. There are several affiliate marketplaces where you can find these offers, such as ClickBank. While researching for the video, I checked if anyone was successfully promoting ClickBank products using AI-generated videos on YouTube. And I don't get why nobody is talking about this, because what I discovered is absolutely amazing. On ClickBank, you can look at the top offers. These are the offers that most affiliates are earning money from. Currently, Live Pure, Alpilean, and Ikaria Juice are the top 3 affiliate offers on ClickBank. All 3 are some magic weight loss products. What a coincidence. So I started searching for these products on YouTube to see what I could find. When you search on YouTube for, let's say, Alpilean, and set the filter to most recent videos, you'll come across a crazy amount of these review or informational videos about these products. To my amazement, many of these videos are made using AI programs like Pictory or Fleeky. Let's look at an example.
Today, we have an intriguing product to review that aims to help you to achieve your weight loss goals. In this review, we'll be exploring the Alpilean weight loss dietary supplement and presenting a balanced view of its pros and cons. Click the link in the description below to learn more and check it out. Now, let's dive into it.
As you can see, these videos consist of an AI voiceover, stock footage, and images of the product. Exactly like the videos I showed you how to make in my previous video. And it's no surprise that one of the first videos I found had a Pictory watermark. So there are already people using this exact method to make money. Now let's put this method to the test. However, I'm not going to create these terrible videos promoting some magical weight loss pills that take advantage of vulnerable people who desperately want to lose weight. I've set myself a challenge. I want to make a video that actually provides value with an affiliate offer that is not a scam weight loss product. So let me show you what I have done and how much money I made. So if you want to almost guarantee views on your videos, I would suggest using a search-based method. This means making videos for specific keywords that people are searching for, rather than solely relying on your video going viral. The challenge with this method is keyword research. There are various tools for conducting keyword research, but the easiest way is to go into incognito mode. Search for a topic you want to make a video about, and see the most searched terms that YouTube shows you. You should then look at the top-ranking videos and first check if there are already videos on that topic. If so, determine the number of videos and assess if you can create a higher quality video. If there are only a few videos on that topic, and you can make a higher quality one, you could give it a try. As an example, I searched for Best Cities to and looked at the suggestions YouTube showed me. It is likely that you can skip the first few because these are the most searched for topics and probably already have a lot of videos about them. So YouTube showed me Best Cities to Live in the Netherlands. At the time, there were only 3 videos that ranked for this specific keyword, and I knew I could produce a higher quality video. Therefore, I decided to make a video about this topic using Fleeky. People who watch these videos are probably going to move to the Netherlands or visit this country, so it is likely they would like to explore the Netherlands a bit. So I simply searched online to find an affiliate program that sells tickets to activities in the Netherlands, and found an affiliate program by tickets.com. So I'm using Fleeky because it has an awesome AI feature called Idea to Video. All you need to do is describe the topic you want your video to cover. For instance, the best cities to live in the Netherlands. And Fleeky then generates the script, adds the voiceover, adds stock footage, and selects suitable background music. You can also use Pictory for this method, but with Pictory, you need to generate a script in ChatGPT and input it into Pictory's script-to-video feature. So you have one extra step to take. Both programs are quite similar, though each has a few unique features that are also useful for their own purpose. I've already made a few different videos using these programs, and I will leave those with the links to these programs in the description of this video, so you can check those out as well. So if you would like to try out this method, use the links in the description to get started. The final step is to create a short commercial-style segment for my affiliate offer to incorporate into the video. For this, I asked ChatGPT to write a short script for this part of the video. Then, I recorded my screen while exploring some key features from the website, and added both the script and the screen recordings into Fleeky, using the same settings as the video it will be included in. To incorporate this into the video, you simply have to add a new scene, upload the exported promotional segment, and inserting it into the video. Let me briefly show you how the incorporated affiliate promotion looked like in this video.
Next up, at number 5, we have Eindhoven, the modern center of the Netherlands. Immerse yourself in the city's green spaces, where almost 1/3 of the public areas are dedicated to parks. Take leisurely strolls, have picnics, or simply relax and unwind in nature's embrace. And for the nightlife enthusiasts, explore the bustling Stratum sign, where you can hop from one cozy cafe to another, soaking in the vibrant atmosphere that Eindhoven is renowned for. If you're thinking about experiencing the incredible activities this country has to offer, then you should definitely check out Tickets.com. With one of the most extensive collections of tickets to activities in the Netherlands, Tickets.com is your go-to platform for unlocking unforgettable experiences. Whether you're dreaming of wandering through world-famous museums, cruising along the beautiful canals, or immersing yourself in vibrant cultural festivals, Tickets.com has you covered.
Well, you get the point. So I made 3 different types of videos using this method. One specifically targeted the keyword best cities to live in the Netherlands. Another was a humorous, sarcastic video explaining why you wouldn't want to live in the Netherlands. And the last one highlighted the top 7 things to do when visiting Amsterdam. Now, let's look at the results. The first thing I want to share with you is that if we go into incognito mode and search for the specific keyword I targeted with my first video, you'll see that after just 3 weeks, my video is ranked as the number 6 video for that keyword. That's absolutely amazing. As I showed you, this is a frequently searched keyword, so this video will undoubtedly continue to receive more and more views over time. Alright, so in total, for all 3 videos, I received 201 views in less than 3 weeks. Within this time, I achieved my first 2 sales. When we go to my affiliate dashboard, you can see that I made around €8 or $9. And I know what you're thinking.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Only $9? Well, listen. Firstly, this isn't the best affiliate program to choose. For an order of €53, which is around $60, I only got $2. This is a 3% commission, which is extremely low. I actually thought the commissions were a bit higher. So that's my fault. If I were to do this again, I would definitely look for an affiliate program with much higher commissions. Commissions of around 10 to 20% are definitely not unheard of. However, people spent over $100 because of these videos. And keep in mind that these videos have only been online for a few days, and it took me no longer than 30 minutes to create all 3 of them. Over time, these videos will continue to rank and reach a larger audience. So, if you can find the right keywords and a good affiliate program, and consistently upload videos, you could potentially make a serious amount of money with this method, requiring very little effort. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more videos on these kinds of topics. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Until next time.